Hello everyone, hope everyone's having an awesome and a blessed day. Today was a little wild day for both Robinhood and Palantir, so I've recorded a video showing what I think of Palantir, and now I'm going to cover Robinhood. Robinhood is one of my favorite stocks. I use Robinhood. I actually have a long position in Robinhood. It's one of my fourth or fifth largest position. And the reason being is I see a lot of catalysts. What they're doing with the bitcoins and the cryptocurrencies, and also being able to buy and share, sell stocks that are private. So it really just opens up a lot more investors or traders to join Robinhood. So I see a good tailwind, and that's why I started going long. And the only regret that I have, I didn't buy enough. So when it was rising, um, I wasn't as bullish. But anyway, so I have a long position. So that's my background with Robinhood. And yesterday, Robinhood fell like a rock, and today fell today. And when I saw that, I'm like, okay, so I'm pretty confident in Robinhood. And would I be like sad or destroyed if it falls another 5 or 10%? I'll be like, yeah, it'll be fine. So I already have a long position, which I added. And then for my swing trading position, I was thinking, okay, let me do the risk reward. And the way I have looked at Robinhood since I started swing trading Robinhood since last year. I know it's quite resilient, so I'm like, okay, the risk reward is pretty good, and and that's why I bought it. I didn't buy it here, but I think I bought it around, yeah, it should be around here, and then I sold it around here, and then I think I bought it here again, and I sold it, and um because I have a full-time job, I can't monitor. And whenever I monitor is when I'm doing some task and I'm moving from one task to another, or when I have a break. So anyway, I happen to be able to swing trade here and there. And at the last moment, I made a little profit here because I saw that the stock was rising at the end of the trading day. So it was a great day for Robinhood, and it was a great day for me to accumulate more. And I'm still bullish on Robinhood. And you can see the nice upward trend of Robinhood going up. And you can see this is just a healthy correction. And of course, with this, you can see this going down a little bit more. But I believe there should be some support. So I'm okay with my long position, and I'm also okay with my swing trading position. I didn't have a bigger swing trading position because I saw Palantir gave more risk reward for me. So I put more money on Palantir rather than Robinhood. And of course, we'll see what happens. You can always plan, but the market will punch you on the face, and then you're like, okay. But the good news is that as long as you manage your risk and don't put big trades. So I have a full-time job, and I have no intention of being worried about stocks when I'm working. So my positions are good enough that if they turn around quickly, great. I'll take my wife out to a nice lunch or whatever, and then um, um, give them money to help those in need. So yeah, things should be fine. And if you look at the longer term, you can see that the uptrend is clear, and it's just basically consolidating, just going up and down. So I see this probably going up and then down, and then we'll see. Because the stock already has run up a lot, so it'll be a while until it goes a bit more. And of course, I'm not no technical analyst, and charts are not my strong point. But over the years, since I started swing trading and listening to better traders, I think that's what's going to happen. So I believe it'll go up, it'll go down, and it'll just consolidate. So it's pretty good to swing trade. And people say, oh, that's not much. And I always tell them, okay, I put 10 minutes to the trade, and if I get like 1% return between 2 weeks. So I believe if I get a 1% return between 2 weeks, I think that's a pretty good deal, right? I mean, bank doesn't pay like that. So if you think in those terms, I think it's a very profitable trade. The only thing that I wish I could improve is put bigger positions. But then again, I'm not. a full-time trader or a professional trader because I still don't have the guts to put on big positions. I get nervous because I don't want to think about it too much. So until I feel comfortable, my position size will be it is what it is. And hopefully, I'll get there. But for now, I'm very happy just to be able to swing trade and make extra money. And of course, this is never easy because to be good at swing trading, you really have to, or any technical trading, you really have to read charts. And, like I wish I could put more in time, but then I have to work, I have to take care of family, I gotta go to church. So with the time that I put in, which is less than an hour, probably like 30 minutes. I'm very happy. And that's why I only trade the stocks that I'm very familiar. And yeah, I don't look at used stocks because of that, because it just takes too much time for me right now. Anyway, that's some trading tip that I have for you. Again, know your limits, know where you are, and play to your strength. All right. Hope everyone has an awesome and a blessed day, and God bless us all. Bye.